Right now, he's the only lumberjack. He's on crutches. Luka Daniels telling James Boulevard to finish it off. Look out! Hey, look out! Right to the knee! Luka Daniels just took his crutch right to the knee.
Luka!
That dirty son of a...
That's awesome.
And now Christian Taylor, a hold of the knee he attacked. In the Boston Crab.
And here he
And a middle finger from Luka Daniels. He taps out.
Oh.
Christian Taylor wins.
That was
and
a
it is absolute highway robbery. Credit the assist to the dirty dog, Luka Daniels.
That was a brilliant move by Luka Daniels.